Namaskara. You might have already heard about Vishnugupta Vishwavidyapeetham being built by Sri Ramachandrapura Matha at Ashoke, Gokarna to protect and promote the rich Bharatiya tradition among the next generations. It is analogous to the ancient Takshashila University, where all Bharatiya knowledge and art forms shall be taught under a single roof along with contemporary education. As part of this, Gurukulams for PUC and preceding classes have already been functioning. 4 campuses, Matrubhumi,
Daivarata Dharitri,
Pranankura Prangana and Mururu campus have already been set up. Since even small time from the inception of Vishnugupta Vishwavidyapeetham, numerous activities have been taken place and undertaken at the university. About 100 crore rupees have been spent for necessities like land and construction. Let us have a glance at the works being done here. Sri Mallikarjuna Temple. Sri Mallikarjuna Temple is built in an architectural style depicting the entire universe. Sri Mahaganapati Temple, which is as historic as the Mallikarjuna Temple, is also rebuilt and is adding divinity to the environment. Bharati Bhavana. A special opus Bharati Bhavana is built in traditional style without the use of cement or iron. It houses the administrative offices of the VVV or the Vishnugupta Vishwavidyapeetham. Sri Vidyananda.
It is fully constructed and consists of a well-equipped
Kitchen, vast dining hall, large auditorium, various office rooms and good lodging facilities for eminent guests. Matrubhumi. It is a well-equipped campus being built for the prime Gurukulams of Vishnugupta Vishwavidyapeetham, housing PUC and preliminary education.
Murur campus. Located in the Kumta Taluk, the campus is in the beautiful environment of Mururu Kallabe. There are more than 700 students studying here with 38 faculties. It is attracting the students from the surrounding areas by providing the quality education based on Bharatiya culture, Yakshagana, music, Bharatanatyam, Tabla, Sanskrit, and much more are taught to students along with the contemporary education. Also along with these, many more traditional courses will be added in the near future.
Bodhagrama. Well-facilitated shelters for teachers of Vishnugupta Vishwavidyapeetham have been built. Go Vishwa. To provide A2 milk to Vishnugupta Vishwavidyapeetham campus and also to benefit the students, the company and service of cows, Vishnugupta Vishwavidyapeetham has Go Vishwa, a Goshala for indigenous cows. Sopanamala. Beautiful steps to Go Vishwa, which resides on hilltop, and much more glorious beauty is being added along with that. Pranankura Prangana. Pranankura Prangana is swastik shaped and situated at the coast of the sea. Elementary classes are being taken care here. Shraddha Mandira. A vast building consisting of hostel, dining hall, classrooms and indoor playroom for female students of the Gurukulams. Kutirams. Kutirams are open to nature classrooms for students, giving them a serene environment for lessons. The required number of kutiras are already built. Seva Saudha. Construction of Seva Saudha, the residence of the Chancellor of Vishnugupta Vishwavidyapeetham, that is, the Pontiff of Sri Ramachandrapura Matha, is in progress. Sevaka Saudha. Residences of members of Sri Parivara are being built near the Seva Saudha. Research Center. Research Center is coming up to unveil the scientific temper behind the Bharatiya knowledge and art forms. Ashwashale. It is a stable for good breed horses. Interested students can learn horse riding here too. Samskara Saudha. A kiosk in the divine presence of Sri Mallikarjuna to host rituals for marriage, Upanayana and other such events. Vidyatirtha. A natural source of water in the premises of Bharati Bhavana is being given form of a lake. Rajata Mantapa. Chariot-shaped silver kiosk being made to worship Sri Kararchita Sri Sita Ramachandra during Sri Samsthana's stay at Seva Saudha. Waste made only from red stone and not using cement or tar to connect various regions of the Vishnugupta Vishwavidyapeetha campus. Natural green shall adorn both sides of pathway. Plants of Bharatiya origin, which give fruits, flowers and shade and have medicinal properties, are planted across complete campus with the theme Learning for Kids, Luster for Campus. Green grass and flower gardens have added glory to the campus. Visitors who previously visited the campus will now surely be astonished seeing these changes. Dear ones, the magnitude of work completed at Vishnugupta Vishwavidyapeetham is not minute. Nevertheless, there are many more tasks to be accomplished. The path to traverse is still long enough. Vishnugupta Vishwavidyapeetham does not belong to any individual. It is the proud possession of all Bharatiyas. Society's service is very significant to realize this endeavor. Come on, countrymen, let us join together to build this novel institution. Let us light the lasting lamps in the land of Bharat.